Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Knitha. This video will be voiced over and it's pretty much self-explanatory, so you're going to learn 3 things from me. Okay, the first one is how to minimize excessive shedding. Second one, how to spend less time washing your hair. And the third one is how to avoid your hair being knotted and tangled during wash day. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get right into the video. These are the 3 products that I've used in this video for my hair: just shampoo, conditioner, and this product not on my watch. You can use a leave-in conditioner if you want to, but I decided to use the leave-in conditioner afterward when I was doing my face. Look at me have a dance party. I cannot sing to save my life, but I act like I can sing. Don't judge me, but let's get to the video. So as you can see, I already have twist, right? I have done my hair before, so this is the main reason how you're going to avoid your hair being knotted and tangled, and how you're going to stop excessive shedding, okay? Because your hair is not like in one big pile that you're washing your hair, it's already parted. All right, so and make sure that you kind of use shampoo to cleanse your hair. Although that I do not use shampoo often for my hair, but when I want to give it a deep cleanse, especially if it's already in twist, so I really want to use a shampoo to cleanse my scalp and to cleanse my hair, to take the products that I've used prior to do my twist out. Okay, so make sure you give it a deep cleanse. All right, so I think I shampooed my hair about 3 times. The best part about having your twist, right, your hair's not in one big old mess when you wash your hair. It's going to save you so much time after you're done washing your hair and you have to detangle your hair. It's going to save you so much time. So this is a good method, and I know so many people are doing it already, so if you haven't done it, just do it. All right, do it. It's gonna save you time, but just do it. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm still washing my hair. Make sure that it's clean, check to see. Making sure if it's clean. As you can see, scalp is clean. See that? Period. Poo. Now that I'm going to use the conditioner to apply it into each twist so it can be very soft. Okay, I know this is not the best natural hair conditioner, but do not judge me. This works for me, okay? So use what works for you, okay? But yes, see that little shedding? Guys, do this. So apply the conditioner, make sure that it's like applied throughout my hair, and use the brush. You can decide to use the brush the minute that you apply the conditioner, or you can wait just to give it time for it to marinate in the hair. It's fine because your hair is not tangled anyway. Okay, have you watched my twist video? If you haven't seen it, go watch it because you will see how my hair was. Oh, look, it's so luscious, and I had no trouble doing my twist because I didn't have to spend time detangling my hair. All right, so if you haven't seen that video, go see it. It's the video before this video. Remember guys, I post every Tuesday for hair videos, and every Friday for other videos. All right. Look at that brush through. Hey, it went smooth. Yeah. If you're not doing this, I don't know what's wrong with you. But as I applied the conditioner, and then I rinsed it out, and then I applied the knot on my wash by Aunt Jackie, and I apply it to each of my twists, and yeah, as you can see right now, and just leave it in my twist, and just finish washing my body. And then as I'm leaving the shower, then I'll just wash it out. Okay, and if I don't think you have to wash it out, but me, I just wash it out because I just wash it out. And even if you do treatment, you still can use this method to do treatment, because you don't have to treat your hair while your hair is all out. You can actually part your hair in like 3 or 4 twists or braid, just so you can minimize excessive shedding and tangling. This is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. I would really appreciate that. As you know, I am on this journey to reach 500 subscribers by this month, so please help me reach my goal. And have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
But you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you like a pick and chooser. Make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance,